Hey y'all, it's Gigi. Welcome to my kitchen. Come on in and let's cook. Happy Tuesday. Hope you're all doing well today. I had one of my followers ask me if I would show how I make my cornbread. And so that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna make a pan of cornbread. I have my oven preheating to 425. And in my bowl, I've got 2 cups of White Lily self-rising cornmeal. Okay? And to that, we're gonna add, make sure you can see, we're gonna add 1.5 cups of buttermilk. Okay, to that, we're going to add 1 large egg. And to that, we're going to add a little less than 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. Okay, we're gonna whisk all that together. Also on the stove, yeah, I did turn it on, I wasn't sure. On the stove top, I have my cast iron pan heating. I just like to heat some oil in my pan. Sometimes I'll pop it in the oven while it's preheating, but for the sake of time for the video, I'm just heating it on my stove top. I'm bringing that oil that's inside my pan, heating it up, and I like to pour my batter into a hot cast iron. So that's it to mixing up the cornbread. 2 cups of cornmeal, 1.5 cups of buttermilk, 1 large egg, your oil. Then it's just a matter of waiting until your pan heats up. So I'm going to move us over there and I'll be right back with you. Okay, y'all. What we're going to do now is we're going to pour our cornmeal batter into our hot cast iron. You should hear that sizzle. That's what I like to hear. I like to pour it into a really hot cast iron. And I have a cast iron that is for cornbread only. So that's not a necessity, and that's perfect timing because our oven is preheated. We're going to give that a little shake. And we're going to pop this into the oven 425, probably for about 25 to 30 minutes. But I'll come back when it's done and let you see it and tell you exactly how long it took, okay? So we're gonna pop that into the oven. Set our timer and we'll be back. Okay guys, we're back. Time to take the cornbread out of the oven. We're gonna, moment of truth, hopefully our cast iron is seasoned well and our cornbread won't stick. The moment of truth. Perfect. Perfect. And there you have it, guys. Cornbread. Crunchy on the outside, just like we like it. Perfect. There you have it, guys. It's steaming hot, so I'm not going to take a bite right now. But I just wanted to let you see it when it came out of the oven. And that, my friends, is how simple it is to make Southern buttermilk cornbread. Just that simple. Well, I hope you'll make you some. And I thank you once again for joining me in my kitchen today. It's always a lot of fun to cook with you and spend a little time with you. And I appreciate you taking the time to spend it with me. I'm grateful for my followers that have decided to follow me, and I hope that I can continue to cook some really good meals and just to encourage you to get in the kitchen and do the same thing. And I'm going to close this video out just by challenging you to go out, show some love and kindness, because I'm sure there's somebody out there that needs it. So until the next video, this is Gigi signing off. Bye. I'll see you later. I love you guys. Bye.